Understanding, a measure of success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, a measure of success. This phrase is widely used in English to talk about success and how it can be quantified or understood. We'll break it down, provide examples, and help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations and writing. So, let's get started. A measure of success refers to a standard or criterion used to evaluate the success of an activity, project, or endeavor. It implies that success can vary in magnitude and can be observed through different indicators or benchmarks. This phrase highlights that success is not one size fits all and can be quantified in various ways depending on the context. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. In a business context, profitability could be a measure of success for a company. For a student, achieving a high grade on an exam can be seen as a measure of success. In personal development, overcoming a fear or achieving a personal goal might be considered a measure of success. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in different areas of life, emphasizing the multifaceted nature of success. To help you incorporate this phrase into your English, here are a few sentence examples. For our project, we considered customer satisfaction as a measure of success. She used the number of books read in a year as a measure of success for her reading goals. The company views employee retention rates as a measure of success. Understanding the phrase, a measure of success, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you articulate different aspects of success more precisely. Whether you're discussing personal achievements, business goals, or educational milestones, this phrase allows you to express the criteria for success in a clear and nuanced way. We hope this video has been informative and adds value to your English language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.